Good morning from here in Iceland, in this little small community. I think it looks like Snæfell on when you write it, but I know that's not correct because nothing in Iceland is as it appears. But I wanted to show you all a little bit of the town. It's a really neat little colorful town down in this valley. There's where I watched The Big Lebowski last night. This is what I really wanted to show you. How cool is that? I'm gonna try to find somewhere to have some breakfast. I will see you guys up the road. One thing I don't like about Iceland is there's never anywhere open for breakfast. Everything seems to open at noon or later, so you take what you can get. Today, I had to settle for hot dogs from Ollie's or Ulis. It's Iceland's most famous gas station brand, but here's the hot dog. SS hot dog, the world's most famous Icelandic hot dog. So let's give it a try. It's got onions and mustard on it. It's actually a really good hot dog. Got the toasted bun and everything. If you're ever in Iceland, go to Ollie's and get the hot dogs. They're delicious. Just stopped here at another waterfall on the side of the road. It's quite beautiful, like all the rest of them. I'm gonna walk up that path there and get a little closer. Now that I've gotten up here to it, it's really beautiful. It's cool how there's sheets of ice and the water is running beneath it like a tunnel, but it's a really pretty waterfall. Just pulled up here at Dettifoss. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it or not, but it's Iceland's largest waterfall by water volume, so it should be pretty interesting. I'm gonna walk up this trail and see what it looks like. Just wanted to show you what the trail over to the waterfall looks like with rocks and stuff. It's pretty cool. Snow is actually pretty deep here. That's the first time I've experienced this in Iceland. Still got a pretty long walk to this one. Looks like we have to go all the way across there, but we're gonna do it. It's gonna be rough coming back up this hill. So far we've made it across all of that. We still gotta go up through here, but we should be there soon. Almost there. I can see the viewing platform up ahead. You have to be really careful here. The snow is deep and there's spots of ice like this. You have to be careful not to fall in, but we're almost there. It was a tough hike to get here, but man, was it worth it. Here's Iceland's largest volcano by water volume. Not volcano, largest waterfall by water volume. Hope you guys enjoyed that. It was truly impressive. I couldn't couldn't stay there very long. The waterfall is so powerful and so much mist coming off of it, and I was a long ways away from it, and it was still just covering me in the most ice cold mist you can imagine. My face is actually hurting a little bit now, it's so cold, but I'm gonna head back down here and see what we can get into next. Waterfall right up the trail here called Gullfoss. I'm gonna go check it out right now. Fell in the snow back there, it's pretty deep, probably 3 feet deep snow. Kind of freaked me out, but I'm fine. I don't think this one's much further. Glad I decided to make the hike up here. This one was well worth the walk. It's a little foggy. It's probably hard to see on camera, but it's absolutely beautiful. Just wanted to, I just got back to the car, done a little research, wanted to let you know the first waterfall I just showed you there, Dettifoss, it was actually not only Iceland's most powerful waterfall by volume, but Europe's most powerful waterfall by volume of water. So I thought that was pretty cool. It's 500 cubic meters of water passes over it per second. So, I mean, that's pretty incredible, but I'll see you guys down the road. I've decided to continue north. Like I said earlier, I had a few options back there, but I'm going to keep going north on what's called the Diamond Circle and see what we can find up through here. Well, I was going to go to this national park, but unfortunately, looks like it's closed, so I'm going to head up on down the road and see what else I can find. Coming into the seaside town of Justificare. It's supposed to be one of the best whale watching spots in Iceland. Beautiful town, but don't know if we'll see any whales. I'll try, but probably the odds of that are slim. But here's what the town looks like. Park here and go walking around and see what I can see. Got a few ships and stuff back here. There's some more of the harbor, the whale watching center, the ships. There's the church. We've just stopped at Namafjall Hverir to see some volcanic geysers, I guess you would say. It's a very rotten eggs smell in there. It's sulfur. Oh, it smells horrible. Ugh. You see the water bubbling up from the heat. Reminds me a lot of Yellowstone in America. Though over there, the fog's got it hidden, but it's an absolutely gigantic volcano. I think there's some other things around here related to this, but I'm gonna get back in the car and see what I can find, and might go somewhere else. Just saw this from the side of the road, decided to pull over. What a view. We just pulled into what it's supposed to be a cave. Looks really cool, so we're gonna go see what this is all about. The cave has two entrances. This is one of them. Doesn't look like you can go very far down in here. Looks like a good place for it all to end. It's kind of creepy, the smoke coming up out of there. There might be a monster living down in there. I don't know. Over here's the other entrance to the cave. See what it's like. It's pretty sketchy too. What about this? Let's see here. Man. Oh man. God. Oh, it's not too bad. Still creepy, the smoke and stuff coming out of this water. Check this out. That is spooky as hell. Yeah, this is kind of scary, not gonna lie. See you guys down the road. I'm getting the hell out of here. Just pulled into my accommodations for the night. I'll be staying in there. Got the beautiful lake over there. Hope you guys enjoyed today. I'll see you tomorrow.